Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Greetings, alishanmao here. Having fun with my lonely RC day today. I haven't flown RC helicopters in a long while, but I'm willing to give my KDS 550 a flight today. Maybe no 3D, just fly scale, slow and nice. Have fun with it. And at least use the batteries and keep the baby in working condition. Spool it up a bit by hands, my normal practice. Oh man, this is completely manual, right? There's no GPS here. I really feel totally out of practice, man.
3 minutes.
So I'm just gonna fly it around first, just to get my feel back.
Idle at 1.
So, I guess my feel is back, huh?
30 seconds. 20 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
I see a little tail wag, I don't know why. right, let's land and see how motor is feeling. It's really hot today, so
Flight mode normal.
beautiful, man. This helicopter sounds good. I mean, bigger helicopters, they absolutely sound amazing.
Come on, you know what to do. Hit that like button. It's right there. I know you can do it. Oh, while you're at it, also hit the subscribe button. Right there. Come on, don't be shy. Just hit it. Thank you very much for all your support towards my work, that I post regular and fresh content on my channel just for you. Hit that like button right there.